Decimals are an important and foundational mathematical skill to master. Not only do we work with decimals in almost all other subjects and within other mathematical concepts, but we rely on our ability to use decimals in our daily lives. Here, watch this video to get an idea of just how important decimals can be. This unit on working with decimals was designed to help students master the necessary skills and gain a deeper understanding of place values in decimals, particularly with rounding, adding, subtracting, and multiplying decimals. The Working with Decimals unit addresses several Common Core Math and ISTE technology standards. In the Common Core Math standards, this unit addresses learning objectives from the Number and Operations in Base 10 Grade 5 Math section. In understanding the place value system, students will be able to round decimals to any place with accuracy. In performing operations, students will be able to add, subtract, and multiply decimals to the hundredths, using models, drawings, place value-based strategies, or properties of operations and/or the relationship between addition and subtraction. When performing operations with decimals, students will be able to relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. With the integration of technology, this unit covers many of the ISTE standards, particularly the research and information fluency, critical thinking, problem solving and decision making, digital citizenship, and the technology operations and concepts standards. Each day throughout the unit, students will interact with technology that meets individual learning needs and incorporates web's depth of knowledge with opportunities for recall, application of concepts, strategic thinking, and extended thinking. Some examples of these activities include students logging into their personal math accounts on 10 marks and watching instructional videos and answering questions, and getting hints whenever they need them. This frees up the teacher to pull small leveled groups of students to work with, giving mini lessons or even intervention and challenges as needed. Students will also play interactive games to reinforce their learning, and mini games adapt automatically to meet each student's individual needs. Students will be utilizing their Edmodo page to comment, share ideas and work, and to ask questions to the teacher and even one another. Students will have plenty of opportunities to work individually, with pairs, and with groups throughout the unit. In addition to these interactive learning activities, students will also be out and about collecting data and making observations for their big culminating task. After students have gotten comfortable with working with decimals, they will begin their culminating task, a mission-based shopping spree using hypothetically fundraised money to purchase new items for recess. Students must follow all parameters and requirements of the project when collecting data and deciding what to buy. Once students have determined their products to purchase, they'll run several computations and share their results in a Google Slides presentation, also utilizing a screencasting software or a video presentation. When all done, the class will begin their awesome presentations, showcasing all of their hard work. Throughout this unit are various activities to meet each of the 8 intelligences as much as possible. We see plenty of opportunities for verbal learners, logical or mathematical learners, visual learners, kinesthetic learners, musical or pattern-oriented learners, intrapersonal learners, as well as interpersonal learners, and of course, our naturalist learners. With technology present and ready to use in the classroom, we can enhance our content and create incredibly engaging lessons for our students. Technology can be selected to better allow us to adapt and differentiate our content to best meet the needs of our students, targeting each of the intelligences with ease and providing rigor and challenge at each student's level. Every child can succeed, and units such as this one that incorporate technology, multiple intelligences, and depth of knowledge show some of what we can do.